What's up everyone? The time is finally here. Tomorrow, Apple is expected to unveil the next generation iPhones, and I cannot personally be more excited for the XS Plus or XS Max. Honestly, the biggest surprise of tomorrow is going to be figuring out what they're going to name these devices. But one thing we certainly do know is it's at the same time and same place as last year, being the Steve Jobs Theater at 10 a.m. in the morning. Anyway, just a quick video today reminding everyone that we will be going live on Best Tech Info. It's going to be the first link in the description and in the cards now. Again, stay tuned for future coverage. We will be doing live Twitter updates, as well as Facebook coverage. So again, our social media pages are going to be the place to be, as well as our Best Tech Info website. If for any reason you can't watch the live stream, we will be doing moment-by-moment notification and tweet updates as the event unfolds. And again, it starts tomorrow at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time or 1 p.m. Eastern. And again, the link down below will show you a dynamic timer countdown until the event unfolds. Again, just a quick video today announcing that Apple is having their 2018 iPhone event tomorrow, where they're likely to debut the iPhone XS and XS Max, as the latest rumors suggest, as well as the Apple Watch Series 4, and even potentially the wireless charging mat AirPower, which Apple teased at last year's conference. This thing may actually see the light of day, and hopefully we will get a wireless AirPods charging case to go along with the wireless charger as well.
But we're not stopping there. We do have one more thing.
Now, other rumors suggest we might be seeing a refresh to Apple's iPad lineup as well as Macs, but unfortunately, I just don't think they're gonna have enough time at this event. Like Tanner talked about in his previous video, it seems more likely that Apple is going to bring back their October event this year, where they typically discuss Mac and iPad refreshes. But again, along with iPhones, watches, and potentially AirPower and AirPods wireless charging case, we are of course going to see more information about iOS 12, and we're undoubtedly going to see the iOS 12 Golden Master Beta Edition be released tomorrow preceding the event. Of course, with the annual updates to iOS, we also have macOS Mojave, watchOS 5, and tvOS 12 as well. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today's quick video. Just a quick one reminding everyone that it is tomorrow that Apple will have their 2018 iPhone event. Again, we will be doing live coverage on our social media outlets as well as Best Tech Info. So don't forget to bookmark that first link in your description or in the cards now. Again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We're going to be back very soon tomorrow morning, bringing you guys some awesome coverage about the next generation iPhones. Until next time, this is Tony signing out.